That's me, dude.
How the fuck did he just kill his
I killed
people? You guys go. I think it's blue and red. They stick a spear through my face, and then you guys proceed to blame face, and she dies the next round. Blew my mind.
Oh, won't you play with me?
Nobody
knows.
sus Thunder.
Thunder ain't. That's sus.
He should be the first person everybody susses.
Just taking a number. Don't worry.
I was in reactor with
You're not
Cyan.
too dead.
Oh,
Wait, I was just.
I'm just taking a number. We're two dead already.
yeah, there's like 3 or 4 of us together. I think it's you, me, Shigandi, and one other person, right? And I was following Joey most of the fucking round. I was gonna clear him.
We gotta get to the bottom of things.
Cyan and I were in
priority,
reactor.
okay? Thunder, what were you doing, Thunder? I don't want to hear anything else except where Thunder was exactly and what his plans were. What were they, Thunder?
I think AFK.
He's
AFK.
stalling.
You're muted.
Stalling. It's him. Vote him out.
He was
It's
AFK.
him.
No. Well, why is
Oh
everything
wait, did he
easy?
say he had something to do at the beginning of the round? White was also standing still for a really long time.
So,
See, that's
White
sus.
was
That's
standing.
sus as
White
fuck.
was standing still outside of reactor.
Oh,
when
my
you
dog was going crazy. I had to go.
I don't think it's white.
Oh no, that's
I'm
hard
voting white.
sus. I think both of them are fake AFK stratting. I don't
Voting
I
white.
didn't
Purple.
vote right here. We don't know, no, because no,
Going Alan on
honestly,
white.
now I'm starting to think it's Run because Run when he was
little bit,
imposter,
that's
he
really hard
instantly
sus
threw
on
votes
nothing.
around. Instantly
Nope,
threw votes
someone-
around because he wanted that
Someone
kill.
was watching
Yeah.
me in medbay.
Bro,
Someone was
we had
watching me in
no
medbay.
info.
Scan.
I was throwing around hard sus on Peace for nothing, and you instantly threw the vote on her. I'm putting hard sus on Run now. That was fishy as fuck, bro.
I was
baited
literally
your
in
ass.
react. Someone was
Oh, I baited
watching
you,
me.
dude. I knew exactly what was going on. It's him.
Now I'm going Shigandi. Red did it.
What
Red
the
did it.
fuck?
Watched him do it. Watched Red kill Shigandi.
Oh, he's fucking lying. That's funny as fuck.
Watched him do it right in front of me. Someone else was right there too. I don't remember
There's
which
like
color.
4 of us right there. What the fuck?
Red was standing right next to him.
It's me, you, Carter,
Absolutely red.
Run, and
I was
Shigandi.
trying to take them
Absolutely red.
Ah!
Red
Wait, you were
was
getting
standing
hit?
right on Shigandi.
No, I
Wait, who fighting together right now?
Remember who Shigandi sus. Remember who Shigandi sus.
Red
Who's
was
fighting together right now? Who's fighting together right now?
him around.
I'm blue. I'm
Yeah,
dark
Run
blue.
was there too. We were all.
Blue and red, right?
Dark Blue is
Yeah.
accusing? 'Cause
Yeah,
Dark Blue's
accused last
accusing
round,
Red.
too.
He's accusing
Dark
me.
Blue.
Alright, red, hold on.
Hold on, what? Hold on.
Alright, what blue first and
I was
red.
running with Shigandi because I sussed
Red,
him,
red.
and I watched him die
Whoa,
with
whoa,
Red
whoa,
standing
whoa.
on
I was with Shigandi the whole round. How long were you with him? I didn't see you for most of the time.
him. We did weather task right before that, and then we ran north to cafeteria.
Okay, yeah. I
It's
was there.
absolutely red. It's absolutely red.
Red and one right
Alright,
now.
with
Come on,
you
come on.
and Shigandi.
Blue.
Come on now. It's blue.
What blue?
It's absolutely red.
Carter, please tell me
Okay.
you voted blue. Oh my
I mean,
god.
I don't know which of you.
And purple was with him too. So
We're the 4 amigos. Me, Heaven, Run, Shigandi.
purple and red. Oh, sorry.
Bro, that is so funny.
I guess it's not
Alright,
purple.
Alright, yeah, no,
Alright.
it is red.
You hate to see it. It's Carter.
I went
dude.
up to
Definitely
go
red.
fix lights and there was a
Definitely
fucking
red.
body.
Bro, I know how this looks. 3 people accusing me, or 2, but
Absolutely
it's
red.
black. And
Cyan was with me.
And
know.
after I was with
And
you
you-
for
and you
so
know-
long,
and
why
you
would
know-
you
and you-
kill?
I was just with Heaven, dude. When the kill just happened, I
You know,
Exactly.
shit,
I
Reddit
was
is following us.
following you. Why would you
so I cover
kill?
blue. So I killed and
They
cover
ran away.
I
When there were
killed
multiple,
for it. It's like-
when there were multiple people, Red ran away because they knew they could get a better kill.
Right, red and
Well, you weren't even
fucking
with
purple were
Red,
the only
though.
two people that I saw split off from the group
You're not
the
red, Kenneth.
entire time, other than green, who I guess is AFK.
Here, let me tell my story.
Probably second imposter.
Cyan is good. I
Alright,
think it's
Thunder,
red
come
and
here,
black.
listening.
I think it's
Yeah,
red and
that's
black.
my cat, so I'm just following
Actually-
you around.
Oh, so I'm
Actually,
just
I just
throwing
got
my
back.
teammate under the bus right now? That's what's happening?
I think it's red and black.
Because I'm black.
Who is it?
You are black.
Red?
It's black and dark blue.
No,
Black
it's
and
red.
dark blue.
Absolutely red.
But I went out with
I'm
six
just
flags. I
randomly
ran down
voting.
and Carter killed purple.
I'm randomly voting
It's red.
because I was
So,
gone.
so blue throws
That's
hard
what I
sus
went
for
with.
3 rounds, and I find one of the killers, right?
All right, good
and
luck,
it's me.
guys.
I think multiple.
Bro, I was spamming the wrong
Run,
button.
you threw. Run. It was Heaven, not me.
I was spamming the
Sus
wrong
me for no
button
reason
right there.
then.
All right, listen.
Oh.
I have the
And
best.
Carter would have stopped dumb.
I have the best
Like,
clip
doesn't matter.
of all time. Okay, I'm literally like back and forth. I was actually AFK, but I would come back like randomly, and like whoever was closest to me,
Such a dick.
I would just
Told you
kill.
they kept trying.
Literally,
Was it
bro,
not?
I killed in front of like 4 people, and nobody
that's what I was
sussed
gonna
me,
say.
dude.
How the fuck did he just kill his
I
3
killed-
other people?
Yeah, that's
you guys
where he
go.
was
You guys
sussing
go.
everyone.
I think it's blue
I
and
swear I
red.
saw Red do it, dude.
What?